Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an online course with Udemy easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin with an idea for your course. Research the topic to understand demand and competition. Create an outline detailing the key points you want to cover. Decide on the format of your course, such as video lectures, quizzes, or written content. Set up your workspace with a good camera, microphone, and lighting to ensure quality recordings. Record your lectures in a quiet environment to minimize background noise. Edit your video content to enhance clarity and engagement. Create supplementary materials like quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources. Log into your Udemy account or create a new one if you don't have one. Select the Create a Course option on the Udemy dashboard. Fill in the course title, subtitle, and description, keeping SEO in mind. Choose a course image that captures attention and represents your content. Upload your course content, including videos, materials, and any additional resources. Organize your lectures into sections for better flow and navigation. Set the course pricing based on your research and Udemy's guidelines. Review Udemy's rules and guidelines to ensure compliance. Preview your course as a student to experience it from their perspective. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Submit your course for review to Udemy for approval. Respond to any feedback from the review team and make required changes. After approval, launch your course and start promoting it to your audience. Engage with your students by answering questions and providing support. Monitor student feedback to improve future courses and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.